What's up, everybody? I'm Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School, and today I'm going to teach you Instant Karma, We All Shine On by John Lennon. All right. I think it's kind of a protest song. I'm not sure. Either way, it's got a bunch of bar chords in it, so that is what we're kind of working on. It kind of goes hand in hand with the lesson that came out last week that discussed playing bar chords all over the neck. So get ready to stretch because this one's going to be a bar chord frenzy. All right. So this one is going to be pretty simple as far as the strumming goes. It's just going to be the chords that might give you a little bit of trouble, but I'll break down each one individually and show you how to get through this fun song. So if you have trouble with strumming, check out our free strumming pattern course below. There is a link in the description. And if you're just wanting to get started on the guitar and you have one, you've never done it before, and you just want to learn, check out our Beginner Guitar Essentials course as well. There is a link for that below. I really appreciate you guys following along with me on my online journey with Summit Guitar School. Consider liking and subscribing. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started. So this song is interesting because it's in the key of A as well as the key of G. The chorus is in the key of G. All right, so I hope you're ready for a bar chord workout because they are in here. Woo! All right, but it's all right because we'll take some time to stretch and make sure we give our hand a rest a little bit. So let's talk about the chords to this song. There's only 3 sections. I'm going to call it a verse, kind of a pre-chorus, and a chorus, all right? Okay, so we've got an A major chord. You got 3 across, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string. You strum from the 5th string down. That's an A major. All right, then you've got an F sharp minor. It's the relative minor to A major. We'll talk about that in another lesson. So this, you're going to have to bar, all right? So I like to get my 3rd and 4th finger first and then bar my index. So my 3rd finger is going to go on the 4th fret, 5th string, and my pinky is going to go on the 4th fret, 4th string, and then I bar my index right behind the 2nd fret right here. All right, and you've got to get your wrist kind of at that angle to make it happen. All right, you got to get it down enough to make your wrist poke out to get that to work. All right, so there's your F sharp minor chord right there. All right, so now we've got an F major bar chord. It's going to sound like this when we get it right. All right, so you're going to put your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. You're going to strum all 6, just like that. So this one, if you were trying to, on any bar chord, if you're trying to make sure you get it to ring out, you pluck each string individually. And if you hear like a, it means you're not pushing down hard enough, or you need to bar harder. All right. So then you've got a G major. All right. This gives your hand a break. That's 3rd fret, 2nd, open, open, 3, 3. All right. Then you've got a D major. Open, 2, 3, 2. 4th string down. And then you've got a B minor. We're gonna do the B minor 7th. But if the B minor is easier, it'll be like this. So 3rd fret or 3rd finger, 4th fret, 4th string, pinky, 4th fret, 3rd string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then you bar your index from the 5th string down, just like that. And if you want the minor 7th, which I think sounds cooler always, you pick up your pinky. It should sound like this. All right. Then you've got a C major. That's 3, 2, open, 1, open. E minor. Open, 2, 2, open, open, open. An A minor 7th. So you get regular A minor, which is open, 2nd fret 4th, 2nd fret 3rd, 1st fret 2nd. You strum from the 5th string down. To make that a minor 7th, you just pick up your 3rd finger, just like that. Then you've got a regular E major, which is open, 2nd fret 5th, 2nd fret 4th, 1st fret 3rd. You strum from the 6th string down. And we also have, I forgot to show you, an E minor 7th. So if you're doing E minor, open, 2-2, open, I like to put the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string to kind of get a cooler sound there. Sometimes you can put your pinky on the 3rd fret 1st string as well, and kind of give you that cliche Wonderwall sound. But yeah, it sounds good in context of this song. So that's all of our chords. So let's go through each section, all right? So for the strumming, I'm just going to go down, 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 up, and then to the next chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's just a down, up at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the first part of the verse, or for the verse, all right, you've got a measure of A, a measure of F sharp minor, a measure of A, a measure of F sharp minor, then another measure of A, another measure of F sharp minor, then F, G in one measure, and then A. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and F sharp. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2. Third time. Sometimes when I do the up, I get rid of everything, and you just do the opens. It's kind of a common thing to happen on acoustic guitar. All right, that means just like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay to do that. Some people can say it sounds sloppy, but it's just the nature of the guitar, and especially if you're just getting used to those types of transitions, it's kind of hard to get from one to the next without making just doing it in time. So it's okay to hit those opens in between when you're first learning. So you do A to F sharp 3 times, and then a measure of 2 beats of F major, 2 beats of G, and a measure of A. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so A to F sharp, a measure of each 3 times, and then you've got F. I do it on the F. I like to go down, down, up, and then G, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Then you've got kind of a pre-chorus, all right? Switches keys on you actually here. It goes from the key of A, which is at the beginning of the song, to kind of the key of D for a second here. So then we go to the pre-chorus, all right? And it's going to go D, 2, and so then we go to the pre-chorus, which is D to F sharp minor to B minor 7. So you got D, F sharp minor, and I'm doing down, down, up on each, and then a whole measure of B minor 7th. Down, 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 up. D, F sharp minor, and then a B minor 7th. So you do that 2 times, and then you go to the second line is C, down, down, up, E minor, down, up, and then A minor 7th for a whole measure, down, 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 up, and then a measure of D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. So I'll play all of section B again. So down, down, up, F sharp, D minor, 2, D, F sharp, actual song, it goes back and does another verse, which is the A to F sharp, another pre-chorus, D to the F sharp, and then the last section of the song is your chorus, and you've got a G, down, down, up, and then I go to B minor 7th, down, down, up, and then E minor. I like to add the 7th. Down, down. So it's a whole measure of the E minor there, and 2 quarter notes of each on the G and the B minor 7th. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Do it again, G, B minor 7, E minor, or E minor 7. Do it again, G, B minor, E minor, D, E. Okay? And that's really like every part in the song.